Flattery. How exciting. This nation is fairly new and you may not have heard of it. Let's head to South Asia for a visit. East Timor is a small country located on the eastern end of the island of Timor, which is situated amongst the Indonesian archipelago. The rest of the island belongs to Indonesia, except for a small enclave on the northern shore called Okus. It was originally formed as a Portuguese colonial outpost called Portuguese Timor. Briefly occupied by the Japanese in World War II, the land tried to declare independence from the Portuguese in 1975. Instead, however, they were occupied by Indonesia. This was a brutal and violent event leading to UN intervention, which ultimately resulted in the nation's true independence in 2002. Today, just over 1 million people live within the borders of East Timor. It speaks Portuguese and Tetum as official languages. The capital is Dili, and the US dollar is used as the official currency. More than 95% of the country identifies as Christian. It is a small country at only 15,000 square kilometers, but it is quite mountainous. For this you will need a half a pound of fresh corn, a quarter pound of dried mung beans, 1 pound of squash peeled and diced, 2 cups of water, 1 onion diced, 4 cloves of garlic minced, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt to taste, pepper to taste. The night before, soak the mung beans in water for at least 10 hours. Drain the mung beans. Boil them for 10 to 15 minutes in a large amount of water. Meanwhile, saute onion and garlic in the olive oil over medium heat for 6 to 8 minutes in a separate pan. Add water, squash, beans, and corn to the onion and garlic. Increase the heat to high and bring to a boil. Reduce heat to medium and cook, stirring occasionally until squash is tender, about 15 to 20 minutes until the liquid is reduced to a minimum. Season with salt and pepper and serve with rice. It's a really good contrast because the beans are really soft and the corn's crunchy. And the squash just mixes in. There's no spices but the salt and pepper, so that's really got a lot of flavor.